Hello students, in this video I am going to continue line by line explanation of chapter 5 from class 12 book Flamingo, titled Indigo. So let's continue. MK Gandhi MK Gandhi is participating actively in Champaran episode, and while he was at Motihari, he received a summon from the court to be appear in front of the court next day. And let's see that what happened. All night Gandhi remained awake when Gandhi received a summon from the court to appear next day. And on that night, when he was supposed that he was going to appear in the court next day, so this night he remained awake. He did not sleep. He telegrammed Rajendra Prasad. He telegrammed Dr. Rajendra Prasad, a famous lawyer, to come from Bihar with influential friends. To come from Bihar means Patna. He was still in Bihar. So to come from Patna to with his influential friends means with his impressive other good lawyers also, means MK Gandhi sent a telegram to Dr. Rajendra Prasad that not only come alone, he asked that come along with your all good friends and lawyers. He sent instructions to the ashram. MK Gandhi sent instructions to the ashram also in Sabarmati in Gujarat, because Gandhi thought Gandhi had realized that now this moment will take a long time and he needs to stay in Bihar for a long duration. He wired a full report to the Viceroy, and then he wired means that is, you can say, telegraphed also. So he telegrammed, actually you can say he telegrammed a full report about this all the incidents to the Viceroy. You know that in those days this Viceroy post was like governor. Okay, so he sent a complete report to the Viceroy of that time, British Viceroy, and he told everything that why means in that report he has written all the incidents, and also that court has summoned him. Morning found the town of Motihari black with peasants. In the morning it was found that the Motihari town was black with peasants, means a lot of crowd, means a lot of farmers gathered in Motihari town. They did not know Gandhi's record in South Africa. Basically the farmers who gathered here today, they were not knowing that what was the record of MK Gandhi in South Africa. We know that what he did in South Africa. He fought for the Indians there also. He fought for the black Africans as well there. They had merely heard that a Mahatma who wanted to help. They had merely, means they were only knowing these farmers who were gathered in the Motihari while he was called by the court, summoned by the court. These farmers only knew, because most of these farmers were illiterate farmers, means they were only here for the emotion, and they wanted that a person who wanted to help him, he was in trouble, and that's why they came. So they merely heard that a Mahatma, that there is a person who is titled Mahatma who wanted to help them, and the person who wanted to help the farmers was in trouble with the authorities, and he was troubling the authorities by the British government. Their spontaneous demonstration and their sudden, you know that self demonstration means presence in thousands of numbers, in big numbers around the courthouse, just means in these farmers surrounded the court from all the directions, was the beginning of their liberation. Actually this crowd was not only the crowd, this crowd was telling another story, and MK Gandhi was very happy to see this crowd, because actually this crowd was indicating that the liberation, that the freedom of these farmers from this cruel landlord system and the sharecropping was now coming to near, and they were about to get final relief from these all the bad situation. So it was the beginning of their liberation, of their freedom from fear of the British, So this spontaneous demonstration of thousands of the farmers were telling a lot of stories, and MK Gandhi was happy to see this crowd. The officials felt powerless. While the British officials came with Gandhi to represent him in the court, they felt powerless because a lot of crowd was there. Students, I would like to remind here a movie, Gabbar is Back. While you have seen that Akshay was being brought by the police authority, a lot of crowd were gathered there, and the police official asked Akshay that please come and you can only control this crowd. Same thing is happening here. The officials felt powerless. It was not possible for them to take Gandhi into the court because so much crowd was gathered there without Gandhi's cooperation, without Gandhi's support. He helped them regulate the crowd. That's why Gandhi helped officials to regulate, means to control the crowd. He was polite and friendly. MK Gandhi was very polite and friendly person. He was giving them concrete proof. He was giving them complete proof, that is solid proof actually, that their might means their power. hitherto dreaded, which was not being challenged, and unquestioned, which was not questioned. Students try to understand it very carefully, this line. He was giving them concrete proof. MK Gandhi was addressing the crowd outside the courthouse, and he was giving them solid evidence that their might means the might of the Britishers, means the Britishers were powerful, but their power hitherto means till now dreaded, only made the poor farmers frightful, means only threatened the poor farmers and unquestioned, and no one had questioned before this to the British authorities, but today could be challenged by the Indians. But he was happy that he told Indian farmers that till now you did not ask any question to the British authority and to their power, but your gathering in this big manner, in this big number, is a kind of example that the Indians can challenge the British authority. The government was baffled. The government officials were very angry, at Mahatma Gandhi, because he not only regulated the crowd, actually he filled with vigor and courage and positivity to the Indian farmers also. The prosecutor requested the judge. The prosecutor means the public prosecutor, actually you can say that the government advocate. Okay, so the prosecutor requested the judge to postpone the trial. The prosecutor said that, please sir, right now postpone the trial, means don't give any decision right now. This trial should be trial means the matter which was filed against MK Gandhi, means this trial must be postponed for later on. Apparently the authorities wished to consult their superiors, because it was clear that the authorities, means the government officials, the British government officials, were confused, and they wanted to consult their superiors in Britain. Gandhi protested against the delay, but Gandhi told that no, I don't want any delay. If you have filed cases against me, then give decision. He read a statement pleading guilty. He read a statement also in which he accepted that I am guilty. He was involved. He told that he was involved. He told the court. That means Gandhi himself accepted his all the fault, and he told that I was involved in a conflict of duties. Actually, why I supported the Indian farmers, because I was in a conflict of duties, means that a kind of confusion in duty, that we do suppose that sometimes you have no solution of your problem, and you think that what should you do and what should you not do. That is called conflict of duties, which you have seen in the chapter the enemy, in which Dr. Sadao was and his wife Hannah both were quite confused that what they should do with the American prisoner. That kind of situation is called conflict of duties, means a moment when you are not able to decide that what should you do and what should you not do. So Gandhi told to the court that I am having a conflict of duties. On the one hand, he told that, so conflict of duties, students, conflict of duties happens when you have two duties and both are important. You can't discard one and you can't do other, then you have a huge confusion. So what two duties, Gandhi told here. Gandhi told that on one hand, not to set a bad example as a lawbreaker. I don't want to set a bad example, and I don't want to become a lawbreaker, that I'm not respecting law. On the other hand, he told that on the other hand, to render the humanitarian and national service, because I want to deliver. I want to give. The humanitarian is I want to serve the human being, and then it is my national service, it is my national duty for which I had come. So these two are duties which created him a conflict of duty situation in front of Gandhi. First, that he doesn't want it to be the lawbreaker. Second, that he came to help the poor farmers, that is called humanitarian, and that was his national service. So he said that I have two duties, and I am confused between these two duties. He disregarded the order to leave. That's why he disregarded the order to, means Gandhi told to court that that's why I did not accept the order to leave Motihari, not for want of respect for the lawful authorities. Actually, I don't want to disrespect the lawful authorities, means I respect law, but in obedience to the higher law of our being. But I wanted to obedient to the higher law of our being, means I wanted to respect the higher law, means this law, the law of this earth, means this court ordered me to leave, but the higher law, means the law of the God, means humanity and justice, told me that I should not leave. The voice of conscience, and my voice of conscience means my inner soul told me that I should live with humanitarian and national service. That's why I stay here. he asked the penalty due, and he told that whatever the punishment penalty means the court wants to give me, that can give me. The magistrate announced that he would pronounce the sentence after a 2-hour recess. The magistrate, after listening all the cases and details, he told that he will give his decision after 2-hour recess gap, and asked Gandhi to furnish bail. And he told that Gandhi should take bail for those 120 minutes. Means he told that I will give decision about this court on this matter after 2 hours. And he told that if for these 2 hours Gandhi want a bail, means release from the court, I can release him. But Gandhi refused, because he told that only 120 minutes bail I don't want. I want either I want a prison, or either I want a complete freedom. The judge released him without bail. That's why the judge released Gandhi without bail. When the court reconvened, when court restarted after 120 minutes, the judge said he would not deliver the judgment for several days. The judge told that I am not going to give the judgment for many days. Meanwhile, he allowed Gandhi to remain at liberty, but he also says that the case will be filed, case will continue against you, Mr. Gandhi, in the court, but I am giving you bail. So M.K. Gandhi was released from the prison. So as students, you know that M.K. Gandhi telegraphed Rajendra Prasad, and he asked that you should come along with your other influential friends. So now, as per responding this telegram you can say telegraph is telegram also, Rajendra Prasad, Brij Kishore Babu, Maulana Mazharul Haq, these all are good lawyers, and several other prominent lawyers, and not only these three, other also prominent famous lawyers had arrived from Bihar. They arrived from Patna to Motihari. They conferred with Gandhi, they met with Gandhi. What would they do if he was sentenced to prison? Gandhi asked. Then Gandhi asked all these lawyers that what they will do if Gandhi is sent to jail, prison. Why? The senior lawyer replied. Then the senior lawyer, means Dr. Rajendra Prasad, replied, they had come to advise and help him. He told that we have come to advise and help you. If he went to jail, and if he, means M.K. Gandhi, if Gandhi will be sent to jail, there would be nobody to advise and they would go home. He told that there will be nobody to advise because they have come to advise him, and if he will be sent to jail, there will be nobody to advise him, and they will return to Patna. What about the injustice to the sharecroppers? Gandhi demanded. Then Gandhi asked that what about the injustice which is done to the sharecroppers? Means you have, according to the statement of Rajendra Prasad, he told that you all have come for me, and if I will be sent to jail, you all will go. But what will happen about the farmers? Because if I will be sent to jail, I can't do anything from there about the farmers. Means here Gandhi wanted to say to all the lawyers that even after I have sent to jail, I have been imprisoned, because case is still continued against him, though he was in bail, he was at bail actually. But Gandhi wanted that you all should take care of these farmers, and you all should have to increase the movement. Movement should not be stopped. The lawyers withdrew to consult. Then, while Gandhi asked that what the injustice towards the sharecroppers, all the lawyers withdrew. Means they went to a different place. They gathered together with, and they discussed together with. Rajendra Prasad had recorded the upshot, and thereafter Dr. Rajendra Prasad returned and recorded, me told the upshot means result of discussion. स्टूडेंट्स, आप इस चीज़ को समझ पा रहे होंगे. जब गांधी ने पूछा कि ठीक है मैं जेल चला जाऊंगा, फिर आप लोग जो है क्या करेंगे, तो उन लोगों ने कहा, राजेंद्र प्रसाद ने कहा कि फिर हम लोग आपको एडवाइस करने आए हैं, और आपको एडवाइस करके जब आप ही जेल में चले जाएंगे तो हम लोग किसको एडवाइस करेंगे, हम लोग चले जाएंगे. फिर गांधी ने इन लोगों से बहुत ही सीरियस क्वेश्चन पूछा कि ठीक है, फिर इन शेयर क्रॉपर्स के खिलाफ जो अन्याय हो रहा है उसका क्या होगा. अब इस बात पे सीरियस बात थी, तो ये सभी लॉयर्स थोड़ा गांधी से थोड़ा सा दूर हटे, इकट्ठा हुए, और आपस में इन लोगों ने डिस्कस किया. और उस डिस्कशन का जो रिजल्ट है, जो रिकॉर्डेड है, जो इन लोगों ने डिसीजन लिया, ऑफ शॉर्ट लिया, डिसीजन आप कह सकते हैं, रिजल्ट जो था ऑफ देयर कंसल्टेशन, ऑफ देयर डिस्कस, दे थॉट it is the decision, okay, it is the result of the consultation which Dr. Rajendra Prasad is now telling to Gandhi on the question that what about the injustice to the sharecroppers. They thought, Rajendra Prasad is telling to Gandhi that they thought, means we all the lawyers have thought among us themselves, that we have discussed together with, that Gandhi was totally a stranger, that M.K. Gandhi is totally a stranger, means he is not from Bihar, and yet he was prepared to go to prison for the sake of the peasants, and even after that that he was not from Bihar, he was ready to go to jail, prison for the farmers. If they, on the other hand, and if they means if we all the lawyers on the other hand, being not only residents of the adjoining districts, that we are not only the residents of the adjoining, means of the close by districts, means we are not only from Bihar, but also those who claim to have solved these peasants. But we also claim that we fight for the rights of these farmers should go home, and we are telling that we will go home. It would be shameful desertion. It will be a very very shameful decision. Means here आप यहाँ पे स्टूडेंट्स सभी लॉयर्स ने आपस में डिस्कस किया कि गांधी एक बाहर के हैं, मतलब वो बिहार के नहीं है, फिर भी वो अपने बिहार के किसानों के लिए जेल जाने को तैयार हैं, और एक हम लोग हैं जो बिहार के ही हैं और हम इन किसानों के हितैषी होने का भी दावा करते हैं। हम अपने घरों को लौट जाएंगे, बहुत ही शर्मिंदगी भरा निर्णय होगा। मतलब यहाँ पे जो लॉयर्स थे वो एग्री हो गए कि गांधी अगर जेल भी चले जाते हैं फिर भी वो चंपारण आंदोलन को आगे बढ़ाते रहेंगे। They accordingly went back to Gandhi and told him, and according to that they returned to the Gandhi and told that they were ready to follow him into jail, that if he will be sent to jail they will also ask government to send them jail also. The battle of Champaran is won, he exclaimed. MK Gandhi became very happy and he told that the battle of Champaran is won. Means as soon as the lawyers told, the Gandhi told that the battle of Champaran is won. मतलब यहाँ पे इसी चीज़ की कमी थी कि चंपारण के जो इन्फ्लुएंशियल लोग थे वो चंपारण के किसानों का साथ नहीं दे रहे थे। यहाँ पे एमके गांधी ने कहा कि आज चंपारण का युद्ध हम लोगों ने, ये जो बैटल जो लड़ रहे हैं, जो हम लोग आंदोलन चला रहे हैं, इसको हम लोग जीत चुके हैं। बाद में जीत आएगी अंग्रेजों की तरफ से, लेकिन हम लोग अभी जीत गए क्योंकि हम अब यूनाइट हो गए और अब एक साथ जब फार्मर्स के लिए साथ लड़ेंगे, क्योंकि ये सभी बहुत ही इन्फ्लुएंशियल लॉयर्स थे, बहुत ही जाने पहचाने वकील थे, और इनका साथ आने का मतलब कि गवर्नमेंट को बैकफुट पे आना ही था, ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट को। Then he took a piece of paper. Then MK Gandhi took a piece of paper and divided the group into pairs. And then he divided the group of lawyers into the pairs and put down the order in which each pair was to court arrest. Means Gandhi told that if I will be arrested, then he made the pairs of 2 lawyers each, and he gave them the schedule that each pair will give on a different day arrest, means court arrest. We will request to the, suppose that 2 lawyers, suppose that today MK Gandhi is sent to jail, 2 lawyers will go to the next day to the court, and they will also say that if we either release MK Gandhi from the jail, from the prison, or arrest us also. Next day 2 lawyers will come and they will ask to the British government that arrest us also. In this way we will register our protest, a strong protest, and the government will be forced to release MK Gandhi, and they will be forced to give justice to the sharecroppers as well. Students, next part I will describe in next part of the video. Thank you.